Hi there, students. A cloven hoof, or the cloven hoof, cleft-hoofed, cleft-footed, is the same. And to show the cloven hoof, or to show the cloven foot, let's see. A cloven foot is animals that have the foot like this. So you've got it's in two parts. It's separated. Yeah. So they've got a cloven foot. There's just 1, 2, and then normally there's a claw on either side as well. So, for example, a cow has a cloven foot, or a pig has a cloven foot, or a sheep or a goat. Yeah. So cloven or cleft, cleave, cleft, cleft, to cleave, to cut in two. Yeah. And so cloven, a hoof or a foot that is open in two. Okay, so to cleave, yeah. Okay, so a cloven foot, cloven-footed. Now, the cloven hoof is for a very long time has been a symbol of the devil. Has been a symbol of evil. So, to show the cloven hoof, to show the cloven foot, this is to reveal your evil intentions. Yeah. So the devil typically is shown with cloven hooves, with these split hooves. And if somebody shows the cloven hoof, they show their true colours. They start to show actually how evil they are. So I thought I could trust him until he showed the cloven hoof and disappeared with all of my money. Okay, she sabotaged my business. Yeah, I thought I could trust her, but she showed the cloven hoof, the cloven foot, and sabotaged my business. Okay, so a cloven hoof. This is the foot of a cow or a sheep or one of these animals with a foot like this. Now, for Jewish people, the cloven foot is very important because this is to do with what they can and can't eat. The animals, I think, let me see if I get this right, the animals which Jewish people can eat have a cloven foot, and they chew the cud, they ruminate. So they chew their grass and then they bring it up and chew it again. And those are the animals they can eat. If animals don't have these two characteristics, then they are not kosher, apparently. Okay, so a cloven foot, a divided foot, yeah. Let's see, a satyr, yeah, has a cloven foot, or the god Pan has a cloven foot, and the devil as well has a cloven foot, and this cloven foot is very often used as a symbol or as a mark of the devil. So yeah, a cloven hoof. This is a sign of the devil, a characteristic of the devil. So, cloven hoof, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, well, this cloven comes from cleave, to cut. Cleave, cleft, cleft. Yeah, for example, a woman's cleavage. I'm very fond of a nice cleavage. Yeah, it's where the breasts join together. Okay, something that's cloven is something that is divided into two parts. So, Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cloven hoof, cloven foot. To show the cloven hoof, to show the cloven foot.